Oh my gosh, Twitter too. Please be a dick pic. Please be a dick pic. Please be a dick. Damn it. Twitter's new CEO emails all employees. Oh my goodness, what is this? Building Twitter 2 together. Hello, Twitter. People keep asking me, why Twitter? So I'll tell you. I want to shit on everybody. From space exploration to electric vehicles, Elon knows these industries needed transformation. So he did it. What? More recently, it has become increasingly clear that global town square needs transformation to drive civilization forward through the unfiltered exchange of information and open dialogue about things that matter most to us. Have you ever been talking with someone particularly insightful and thought, you're brilliant? You guys probably get that every day with me. Obviously, incredible, amazing, athletic individual like myself. I get it. Or I'm learning so much from you. Can we do this again? You guys always want to do me again. I get it, you know. First rides for free, people. Or maybe it's as simple, $5 a month. You get countless hours of All right. Or maybe it's just, it's as simple as you should have the freedom to speak your mind. We all should. Enter Twitter 2.0. Twitter is on a mission to become the world's most accurate real-time information source and a global town square for communication. We also have a bot problem and ChatGPT's on the loose. We're on the precipice of making history, and that's not an empty promise. That's our reality. When you start by wrapping your arms around this powerful vision, literally everything is possible. You have to genuinely believe and work hard for that belief. And in this moment of complete reinvention, we have the opportunity to reach across aisles, create new partnerships, celebrate new voices, and build something together that can change the world. And from what I can tell so far, you are, damn it, you're built for this. Besides for the layoffs, by the way, there's going to be a couple layoffs. Just they're not built for it. They suck. The success of Twitter 2.0 is all of our responsibilities. Whoa, 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 whoa! You literally, what the hell? I let you be a mod for 1 second? You're a mod for 1 second and you put us in shield mode? Damn it! 1 day! Not even a day! Like 4 minutes and you click shield mode. Okay, you don't need to shield me. I'm a big boy. I can handle this. Shield mode got way... Dude, all of a sudden he's just like, hey, yo, baby, what's that shield all about? I just want to press that shield. Look at that shield. Look at that shield. And then he couldn't help it. Drunk with power. Okay, I thought you were attacked. Okay, you were attacked and I clearly saved your life. All right, here we go. At least, okay, that's actually a much better answer. Just say that and be like, I thought we were under attack. I don't know what happened. Yeah, you're from viewer to moderator to banned. We're going the whole gambit here. Indeed, I did save you. Okay. Thank you. The success of Twitter 2.0 is all of our responsibility. We need to think big. We need to transform. We need to do it all together. And we can do it all by starting from the first principles, questioning our assumptions, and building something new from the ground up. It's rare to have the chance to put a new future into the hands of every person, partner, and creator on the planet. That's exactly why I'm here with all of you. So let's dig in our heels, 4 inches or flats. Joke. And build Twitter 2.0 together. Linda. I don't really know what to say, but I'll just say, sounds like my wedding vows. Boom. Got him. Damn it, Linda. Damn it, Linda. Why would you do this? That mofo out here showed up and getting mod right away and fucks everything up. Imagine being a day one or not being a mod. That's right, Beast Code. So what's your thoughts on Elon's strategy for paying creators? I don't know. I don't have any. I honestly don't have any thoughts on it. Hey, thank you. I really, truly don't have any thoughts on it because I think in the end, I will get like 12 cents from Twitter. I don't know. That's what I think about it. Unless if it's different, that's just my guess. I don't know how it works. It seems confusing. I don't get it. Marker, what is this thing called? Twitter 2.0.